This is just me doing my unboxing. My Bobcat miner. Do it like this. Bobcat miner. Probably turn it around. Some troubleshooting guide and warranty card, because I definitely need that. I just bought the thing off eBay. Power adapter does not look open. Could be, can't tell. All the screws are here, so that's a good sign. Crappy antennas here. And antenna. Yeah, it's a pretty crappy antenna. Take that off and put this on. It's a pretty crappy antenna. Put that over here. Power supply on. Leave that in here for a minute. Came with a little SD card. No, it didn't. Came with a reset. What the hell that is? Lens cap? I don't know. Oh, it probably goes on this. Yeah. And the little miner. 49er. Unopened. I am now opening it. And there she is, the little Bobcat miner. This is what I'll mount on the wall. Mount that on the wall somewhere like that, I guess. And then must mount like this. Okay. So put that on the wall, and then this just slides in. Yeah, and then I got it up on the wall. And I'll have an Ethernet cable there. I don't know why I need a TF card. The reset button. And then there's for the antenna. Alright, well, I gotta wait for the antenna to come in from eBay still. But as soon as that antenna comes in from eBay, it'll be set. Put the warranty card back in there because I definitely need that. Alright.